Hello guys, welcome to my video, and today we're going to unbox a coins that I bought from Whatnot. Let's see. Right, after I already opened it, and I'm going to show you right now the first one, and that one is going to be two sets of proof sets, silver proof sets. Check this out guys, it's so amazing. I bought it for like $15. Let me know what you think about it. This is one about this one is not like only nickel and whatever. Those are silver proofs over here, the Roosevelt, the quarter, and the $50. And these guys are also proofs, everybody's proof. And we have another one, and this is from 1992, and the other one is 1997. Here you can see it. You can see already there is even a United States Mint proof set. You can see over here the obverse, everything is here. All right, let's go with the next one. All right, the next one it's going to be a medal. Check this out, a medal of the national medal. This is like the 9/11 medal, and it's really amazing. Really liked it. Let's see what we got here. Right, so this is like the September national medal here, 9/11. United States Mint certified that this medal is a genuine 2011. This is like 9/11, yeah, September 11 in national medal struck and made available for sale in accordance with by the Congress and signed by the president. Yeah, it's signed by the president. So let's see, that's the coin itself. Oh my God, it's so amazing, guys. This is really shiny. Check this out. All right, check this out, guys. Look at it. It's so like uncirculated. There's nothing. It's like nobody touched it. Nobody touched it. It's so amazing. Right, let's move to the next one. The next one is George Washington $50. Now we don't have Washington really like for circulation, but we have a George Washington silver commemorated $50 being of fear by okay, 250th anniversary of the birth of George Washington. All right, so we got 90% silver here. Look at the coin from really inside. You can see it, so beautiful, uncirculated. Here's the reverse. Obverse and reverse, shiny. Right, let's move to the next coin. These are the last coins. Let's see what we got. So we got a silver $50, the Liberty Walking Liberty $50, $15. This like cost $15. I don't remember how much I bought it, but less than this. This one is forgot. Oh, it's 92%. Oh yeah. This is 1 shilling. It's from Australia. You can see. Yeah, this is silver. That one is a silver too. Yeah, this is centavos. We got here another George V, 2 shillings, and we got yeah, that one here. You can see there's a hole, but it's fine. I bought it for good money. We got 100 yen silver too. We got that one here. This is 1 cent. Yeah, this is cent. 5 cents. This is 5 cents from Canada. This is Austria. Silver. Silver again. You can see here 6 pence. I liked it. And we got that one. This is like 2 shillings. This is one florin. It's like G grade, I say. And we got these coins. We got these ones here. 1 franc from 1903. And that one is from Cuba, if I don't remember, right? Oh, the Philippines, yeah. Right, last ones. Okay, guys, check this out. The last one, America the Beautiful. Look at that coins, guys. So beautiful, like gorgeous. This is gorgeous. This is from the 90% silver proof coins. This is 1, this is 2. I'm gonna get all the set. I'm gonna get a whole set, guys. These coins really amazing. 90% silver. Look at the beautiful. Like, how can I say? Those coins, like, what? These are my favorites, really. That one. We got that one too with the bat. Yeah, you see that? And that one over here. Yeah. So yeah. That's it, guys. This is all the coins we have, and all of them here, and I'm going to put it to my collection. And guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you. Please, guys, leave a comment down below. What do you think about those coins? Let me know what's your favorite ones here, and please share, like, and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.